Hi. We all know that we can't compare an apple to an orange. Apart from that one similarity that they both are fruits, everything else is different. The color, the shape, the texture and the smell. The same is true with our children. No two children are similar even if they are conjoined twins. But we still compare our children with others despite knowing the fact that they are unique in their own ways. See how well is your friend studying and you don't even open your books. Your cousin is getting so many medals in sports. Why can't you go and practice with her? Why don't you just behave well like your brother? How does these statements impact your child? Close your eyes, take a pause and imagine how you felt when your parents compared you with your friends using such statements. It hurted most of the time, right? Unfortunately, even after experiencing the pain of comparison, we still continue to compare our children with others. Here are 5 major negative impacts of comparison. Comparison negatively impacts your child's self-esteem. Your child will start believing that he or she is incapable and cannot do anything good in life. The second impact is anxiety and stress. When you constantly compare your child with other children, they'll start to become anxious about their performance in exams or sports or any event in which they are participating. This will later lead to severe stress in children and will cause repeated failures. Third effect of comparison is that the child will start distancing himself from the parents. He will prefer to be more with his friends where he is accepted for what he is as an individual. This is one of the reasons why we see teenagers are more attached to their friends than to their parents. Fourth impact of comparison is destroying the individuality of the child. The child will stop believing in himself. He will always try to improve his weak areas to please his parents. If he doesn't see the results after repeated attempts, ultimately he will lose his self-confidence. Fifth impact of comparison is that it breeds insecurity in the child, which will lead to rivalry between the parents, siblings, friends, and cousins. As Theodore Roosevelt puts in, comparison is the thief of joy. Dear parents, let us not steal the joy from our children by comparing them with others. With this new year beginning, we will begin to practice some conscious steps to stop comparing our children. Drishta Parenting is happy to help you to put those small actionable steps into practice so that you can connect, rebond emotionally with your children. Share this video with your dear and near ones and spread the word around. Together, let's build a happy and empowered future generation. Happy to help. Keep smiling.